Welcome to Road Ready Review. Today, we're diving into the highly anticipated 2026 Hindustan Ambassador. This legendary car returns with a modern twist, blending nostalgia with cutting-edge technology and powerful performance. Let's explore. The 2026 Hindustan Ambassador is back with a striking new look while maintaining its classic charm. Under the hood, it offers two engine options: a 2.0L turbocharged petrol engine producing 200 horsepower and a 2.2L diesel variant generating 180 horsepower. Both engines are paired with a 6-speed automatic transmission, ensuring smooth and efficient performance. Additionally, a hybrid variant is rumored to be in development for eco-conscious buyers. At the front, the new Ambassador retains its iconic grille but now features a modernized chrome finish, seamlessly integrating with LED matrix headlights. The rounded headlights pay homage to its heritage while providing advanced illumination. The redesigned bumper houses stylish air vents and fog lamps, enhancing both aesthetics and functionality. From the side, the Ambassador's curvy yet bold stance remains unmistakable. The 18-inch alloy wheels give it a modern appeal, while the body-colored side mirrors come with integrated indicators. The frameless side glass adds a premium touch, complementing the car's smooth silhouette. The door handles remain classic but now feature a keyless entry system for convenience. At the rear, the LED taillights feature a retro-inspired design, seamlessly blending the old with the new. The sculpted trunk offers a clean and sophisticated finish, with chrome accents adding a touch of elegance. The rear bumper is refined, featuring integrated reflectors and a dual exhaust system, emphasizing its contemporary performance. Stepping inside, the 2026 Ambassador welcomes you with a spacious and luxurious cabin. The dashboard features a mix of vintage aesthetics and modern technology, crafted with soft-touch materials and wood-grain accents. A massive 12.3-inch touchscreen infotainment system sits at the center, offering seamless smartphone connectivity, navigation, and voice commands. The side doors are padded with leather and house ambient lighting, creating a relaxing atmosphere. The gear selector is a modern rotary dial, and the illuminated push-start button adds to the premium feel. The leather-wrapped steering wheel offers multifunction controls for music, cruise control, and voice assistance. The front seats are plush and well-cushioned, featuring ventilation and heating options. The rear seats provide generous legroom, and a unique table between them adds a luxurious touch for passengers who want a comfortable ride. Cargo space has also been improved, offering a deep and practical trunk that can easily accommodate large suitcases and travel essentials. The blend of heritage-inspired design and modern comfort makes the new Ambassador a truly premium offering. The 2026 Hindustan Ambassador is expected to start at 22 lakh rupees for the base petrol variant, going up to 28 lakh rupees for the top-end diesel and hybrid models. With its premium features and nostalgic appeal, it competes well with modern luxury sedans while maintaining its legendary status. The 2026 Ambassador is the perfect mix of heritage and modern innovation, making it a statement of style and comfort for today's drivers. Enjoyed this review? Like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more car insights here on Road Ready Review.